People act.
So it is 4th of July weekend. Woohoo, yay! When you're from the South, that officially means it's lake time. So today I'm gonna do a fun little pack with me video for the lake because these are really fun to watch and I want to make one, so enjoy. Okay, so we have 3 things to take care of, actually 4 things to take care of. Toiletries, clothes, fun stuff to keep me entertained. 4, I need to do extra clothes because I want to film a lookbook while I'm there. Okay, so I just want to show you all, I am using this bigger bag for all of my clothes because they just take up a lot of space, and I have to pack shoes and stuff too because I'm doing that lookbook, so this is just the better option for this. And then I'm using just this older backpack I have for toiletries and like makeup and stuff because this is easy to just grab in the morning and get ready, and it's just a lot more convenient. So I keep all the makeup that I have in this little storage thing right here. It's so cute. I literally got it for Walmart for like $10. It has 2 separate compartments. I split it up. So in this one I have stuff that I don't use like as often, and here I have stuff that I use like every single day basically, and then all my like brushes and stuff. It's really nice when I go on trips because I already have like everything packed and ready to go makeup wise, and everything's like easily divided out already because I keep it in those 2 separate compartments. Right now I'm just laying out everything that I want to pack in that little bag right there. So I just have, you know, like hair stuff, skincare stuff, deodorant, makeup wipes. So I officially have the toiletries all packed. So now that I've done these, I'm going to move on to the more fun part, in my opinion, the clothes. So as far as clothes go, the first thing that I always pack is pajamas because I'm always worried that I'm gonna forget them and then I'm not gonna have pajamas to sleep in. So the way I do it is I just pack a t-shirt and then I pack like longer pants and then shorts because I never know if it's gonna be hot or cold or what the deal is gonna be as far as that. Okay, so pajamas are packed. Now I need to do swimsuit and all that fun stuff. So I'm only gonna pack 2 because I'm gonna be there tonight, Saturday, and then only like Sunday morning. So I'm just packing 2 swimsuits. But these are both from Aerie and they're so cute. So they were like, they're from Aerie, but they were in the American Eagle clearance section and they were like 60% off. So I got both of these for like 20 bucks, and usually a whole swimsuit from Aerie would be like $50 or $60. So I'm so happy. I have this blue floral one, and this, I know this like style of top is really popular right now, and I love it because it is like smaller, so I always tan in this swimsuit to get like the least possible tan lines, and I just love the colors on it. This one is also floral. If you can't tell, I love floral. I have a floral swimsuit, floral bedspread, floral backpack, everything is just floral. So I also have this one. I love the top, like it's more full coverage, which is nice. If I go like tubing or something, I don't have to worry about anything falling out of the swimsuit. But this is the other one that I'm bringing, and I just love these swimsuits so much. So as far as clothes, I'm just bringing a plain tank top, a bigger like shirt I can just wear around, cheap athletic shorts. I really don't think I'm gonna need much more than that. Now comes the fun part, is packing for the lookbook. Okay, so I don't want to show much of it because it would ruin the surprise, but I have packed all the lookbook outfits. I put the shoes in a separate little bag here so that they wouldn't like ruin any of the other items here. And it's easy just to keep all of those in one place and organized, and it makes me feel better knowing that nothing's going to get dirty. So another little thing that I swear by when I'm packing for trips or for anything of the sort is little jewelry organizers. This one is literally from Walmart. It was probably like $5. It just has little buttons and it snaps open, and then it has all the little containers, or compartments I should say, for jewelry, and I love these things. So I don't have that much jewelry. Most of my jewelry literally fits inside this right here, and it's really great because, you know, I don't really know exactly what jewelry I want to wear, so I can just pack all of this, and then once I get there, however I'm feeling, I have all my options. So I keep bracelets and rings up here mostly, and then I have like necklaces down here. So I think I've packed everything. I have clothes that I want to bring, clothes that I'm wearing right now, bathing suits, sleepwear, underwear, socks, all that jazz. I have all my jewelry, lookbook stuff, shoes. I'm worried I'm forgetting something, but I don't think I am, so we're just gonna go with it. We have packed all the shoes, we've packed all the clothes, we packed all the toiletries, so now what's left is fun stuff. So I need to pack camera stuff, so obviously I'm using my camera right now, but before I leave I'm going to charge this battery, and then I'm going to bring my wallet, and I always keep an extra camera battery in my wallet. I'm just going to film my lookbook on my vlog camera and hope for the best, because I'm just nervous lugging around a DSLR to the lake. That just makes me really nervous. And then I'm putting it all in this case that fits perfectly everything I need. It is a 2-hour car ride to the lake that we're going to, so I'm bringing a few things. First, I'm bringing headphones. Always gotta have headphones. And then I'm obviously bringing sunglasses. Can't live without them. These are so cute and they work so well. They're like $15 from Target, but they're super nice and I love them. And then I'm also bringing a book. So I just got this book and I'm kind of reading another one right now, but I really want to start this one, so I'm going to bring it anyway. And then another thing I'm also bringing is my laptop, because I know I'm going to want to edit the video, this one and the lookbook, once we get those filmed and this video finished. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my laptop. So I just threw my laptop and my book and pins and stuff in my clothing bag. So I don't want to speak too soon, but I think that I have everything packed now. I'm going to film this outro and then think about it hard for a minute and make sure I'm not forgetting anything in the array of filming this video. At the same time, it does get a little like hard trying to film and think of everything that I need at once, but I think that I have everything down and organized and ready to go, and now I'm ready to leave and I'm really excited for the lake. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and maybe got a fun little few packing tips from it, or just enjoyed watching me pack. I mean, these videos can be satisfying. So I think that's it for today's video. If you liked it and you want to see more of my face and a lookbook coming up soon, be sure to subscribe and follow me on my socials, and I will see you all soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.